Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background in Google Slides. So if you want to add background Google Slide, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is just tap on search. Okay, tap on insert, it will show the background option. Then tap on the background. Right here you can decide to add color as a background. Just tap on the drop down arrow, then you can see the list of colors that we have. You can also do gradient. If you go for the gradient, you can also have custom color. So if you want, you can add this kind of color. You can see. So if you don't like this, you can change it to another color. Also pick image from. So here you pick image. Now you upload image from file, webcam, this link, use photo, or you use Google Drive, or you use Google Page. So when you upload, you just tap on browse. You want to upload PC, the date and for any choice that you want to use. This particular. You tap on open. So an error occur, choose this tool. So let's try this with this kind of image will definitely work. Okay, you can see. Then tap on done. You can also hide this as hide to team. So good. You see this. That's how to hide background in slide. Find this video full like a